Modbus sensors typically have a default device ID of 1. When connecting multiple Modbus sensors, you must change each sensor's ID to avoid conflicts. Here's how to use the free software Modbus poll to change a sensor ID. You'll need an RS485 to USB adapter to connect the sensor to your computer. For this example, we'll use a WoMaster ES104 sensor. Connect the RS485A and RS485B of the ES104 to the corresponding ports on the RS485 to USB adapter. Then, connect the adapter's USB in to your PC. Open Modbus poll on your PC and power on the ES104. Open the Modbus poll software and click on Connection. Select Serial Port under Connection and choose the COM port for the RS485 to USB adapter. Refer to the ES104 manual for the correct serial parameters. Here, we can see the parameters: baud rate 9600, data bits 8, no parity, and 1 stop bit. In Modbus poll, set the baud rate to 9600, data bits to 8, parity to none, and stop bit to 1. Then click OK. After a successful connection, first check the register address for the current device ID. Click on Setup, select Read-Write Definition, enter the current ES104 slave ID, choose 1 here, and select function 03. Then click OK. Check the manual to find the appropriate address. Here, you can see that the slave ID address is 42001. Therefore, input 2001 in Modbus poll. Since this is in PLC address format, make sure to check the PLC address box. Enter 1 for quantity and click OK. Once you input the address correctly, you should see the register address value as 1, which corresponds to the current device's ID value. Next, to change the ID value, click on Setup, select Read/Write Definition, choose function 06, enter 1 for quantity, and then click OK. Double-click on the address and change the parameter to 3. After that, click on Setup again and reread the ID as 3. Choose function 03 to read the register address, then click OK. You should see that the ID has been changed to 3. Let's input the register address for humidity. Referencing the manual, input 501 and click OK. Since humidity is uploaded as a value multiplied by 10, you'll see the current humidity as 55.9.